I welcome you all students for today's class based on trigonometric ratios. The topic is trigonometric ratios. We are dealing with competitive bits on trigonometric ratios. So to start with today's sum, first question. Trigonometric ratios, competitive bits. So let us start. Our first question for today is, if theta lies in the third quadrant, if theta lies in the third quadrant, and sine theta is given by -7/25, then find the value of 7 cot theta minus 24 tan theta upon 7 cot theta plus 24 tan theta. Find the value of this. Okay. So the options given are option A, 31/17, option B, 17/31, option C, -17/31, option D is none of these. Okay students, so see carefully the solution, all of you. So we are given that sine theta is equal to -7/25. Okay students, and we are also given that theta is lying in which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant we know that tan and cot are positive valued. Okay, rest other four will be negative there. Okay students, so if sine is defined as opposite by hypotenuse, draw a right angled triangle where theta is acute. Opposite is 7 in units, hypotenuse is 25 in units. So in a triangle, right angled triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is 25, AB is 7, BC is unknown. 25 square is 625, 7 square is 49, BC square. 625 minus 49 is BC square. So it is 576 is BC square. Therefore BC is under root 576 is 24 units. BC is 24 units. So therefore now define what is tan and cot from this. Okay. So theta is lying in the third quadrant, therefore tan will be positive valued as well as cot also will be positive valued. So tan theta is defined as positive of opposite by adjacent, and cot theta is defined as reciprocal of tan is cot or adjacent by opposite. So 24/7. Okay students, now we shall find the required value. Therefore the value of 7 into cot theta minus 24 tan theta upon 7 into cot theta plus 24 into tan theta value we need. Okay, replace the values of cot and tan here and simplify for the answer. So therefore we get 7 into cot. Cot is 24/7 minus 24 into tan. Tan is 7/24. divided by, this is 24, divided by 7 into cot value, 24 by 7, plus 24 into tan value is 7 by 24. Okay. So now what you see is here 7 cancels with 7, 24 cancels with 24. Here also 7 and 7, 24, 24 cancels. So we are left over with about 24 minus 7 is above. Whereas below 24 plus 7. So if I subtract 14 minus 7, 7, 1. 17 by 31 is your answer. So answer is 17 by 31. 17 by 31 is seen in which option? Option B is your answer. So I can say answer goes as option B. Option B is your answer. This is our first question and solution for it. Okay students, now let us move on to the next question. Let us move on to the next question. So the second question is, find the value of sine cube theta upon 1 plus cos theta, cos cube theta upon 1 minus sine theta. Okay students, so the options given are option A, cos theta minus sine theta, option B, sine theta minus cos theta, option C is sine theta plus cos theta, option D is none of this. So this is our question. See carefully for the solution again. See the solution. Okay students, take the given step as it is. Sine cube theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus cos cube theta upon 1 minus sine theta is our question. So what I do is, I shall rationalize the denominator in both the cases. Okay, by multiplying and dividing by 1 minus cos for the first term, and for the second part I will multiply and divide by 1 plus sine theta. So therefore I'll get sine cube theta upon 1 plus cos theta. If I rationalize, 1 minus cos should be multiplied and divided by. Okay. Similarly here in the second part, cos cube theta upon 1 minus sine theta, I shall multiply and divide by its conjugate, 1 plus sine upon 1 plus sine theta. So rationalizing the denominator for the two parts. So later what do we get is sine cube theta into 1 minus cos theta above divided by a plus b into a minus b form. It is 1 plus cos into 1 minus cos is 1 square minus cos square, a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly in this case, cos cube theta into 1 plus sine theta. Below what do you see again? A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So it becomes 1 square minus sine square theta. So 1 square is 1 minus sine square theta. And we all know that 1 minus cos square is sine square, 1 minus sine square is cos square. Replace them by those values. So we get sine cube theta into 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos square is sine square. Sine square theta. Whereas in this case, cos cube theta into 1 plus sine theta upon 1 minus sine square, I shall write it as cos square theta. Cos square theta. Now you can cancel. Sine square cancels with sine cube, remaining with one of the sine. Cos square cancels with cos cube, remaining with one of the cos. So we are left over with sine theta into 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta into 1 plus sine theta. Okay students? Now simplify carefully. Sine theta into 1 is sine theta minus sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta into 1 is cos theta plus cos theta into sine theta. Okay students, now in this case what you see is plus sine cos cancels with minus sine cos. So we are left over with what now? Sine theta plus cos theta. Plus cos theta is your answer. Sine theta plus cos theta is seen in option C. Therefore answer goes as option C. Hence the answer is option C is your answer for the second question. This is the solution for second question. Now let us move on to the third question. Let us move on to the third question. So the third one is, third question. The third question is, if A lies in the third quadrant, if angle A lies in the third quadrant, and angle B lies in the fourth quadrant, also we are given, tan A is equal to 4 by 3 and sin B is equal to minus 8 by 17. Then the question is, then the quadrant in which A plus B lies in, where does the quadrant A plus B lie? So then the quadrant in which angle A plus B lies, you should find. Where does angle A plus B lie in? So the option first is first quadrant. Second option is second quadrant. Third option is third quadrant. And the fourth option is fourth quadrant. So where does the angle A plus B lie in is our question. See carefully how to do the sum. So the solution is, angle A is lying in third quadrant. This is your coordinate plane where it is divided into 4 quadrants. Okay. Angle A is in 3rd quadrant. Angle B is in 4th quadrant. This AM. Okay. Now where does A plus B lie in is our question. See carefully, students. So we are given that tan A is 4 by 3. Okay. Where A is lying in the 3rd quadrant, we know tan is positive in the 3rd quadrant. Okay. And now sine B is given as minus 8 by 17, which is opposite by hypotenuse. So draw a right angled triangle where opposite is 8 in units, hypotenuse is 17 in units. Find the other side, PQR. Find the other side by using Pythagoras theorem. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So PR square 17 square, PQ square is 8 square, QR is unknown. 17 square is 289, 8 square is 64, QR square. 289 minus 64 is QR square, that is 225. QR is equal to root of 225, therefore QR length is 15. 15 is its length. Okay. Now find tan B from it. We know the other side also, therefore tan B is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. But B is lying in which quadrant, children? It is lying in the 4th quadrant. Tan will be negative in the 4th quadrant. Therefore, minus 8 by 15 tan B. Okay. Now find tan of A plus B. Consider tan of A plus B because our question is to find where does the angle A plus B lie in. So therefore, consider the formula tan of A plus B. Tan A plus B formula is what? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, students. Now replace the values of tan A and tan B and calculate the value. Therefore, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A is 4 by 3 given. Tan B is minus 8 by 15. And 1 minus tan A is 4 by 3 into tan B is minus 8 by 15. Minus 8 by 15. So simplify carefully now. Therefore, tan of A plus B becomes, if I take LCM above, 3 into 15 is LCM. 3 into 15, 15 into 3 above. Okay. 4 into 15 is 60. 60 minus 8 is 24. Divided by, again LCM is 3 into 15 below also. So 3 into 15 should be multiplied, minus into minus, plus 4 into 8. 4 into 8. Okay. So 3 into 15 cancels because denominators are similar. 3 into 15 cancels with 3 into 15. 60 minus 24 upon 3 into 15 is 45. 4 8s are 32. Okay. 60 minus 24. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. Upon 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. if it is plus, it becomes 77. Okay, students? So what did you get at last? Tan of a plus b value is plus 36 by 77. Okay? Therefore, tan of a plus b is equal to plus 36 upon 77 we got. That means a plus b is positive. Is positive valued. Okay? Tan is positive in third quadrant and first quadrant, children. In the first quadrant, tan is positive as well as in the third quadrant. Therefore, this A plus B angle should either lie in first quadrant or third quadrant. Okay? We can't say first quadrant because A is already in the third quadrant. A plus B will be more than angle A. So, it will lie in the third quadrant. Okay, students? Therefore, since A plus B is positive and it is tan, therefore, angle A plus B lies in which quadrant? It lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant. Hence, the answer goes as third quadrant is option C. Therefore, answer is option C is your answer. Answer C is your option, that is third quadrant A plus B lies in. This is your third question and the solution. Okay, students, now let us move on to the next question. The next question. Let us move on to the next sum. Find the minimum value of sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So options given are 1, 2, 3, 4. So one among it will be our answer, children. So for this, take down the synopsis. We use the point from synopsis. The minimum value of a sec square theta plus b cosec square theta is equal to a plus b whole square. This is the synopsis given. Okay, the minimum value of a sec square theta plus b cosec square theta is given by a plus b whole square by synopsis. Therefore, what are we asked for? We are asked for the minimum value of sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So therefore, the minimum value of sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to a plus b whole square. A is coefficient of sec square. In this case, here we see A is 1 coefficient of sec square, B is coefficient of cosec square. B is also 1. So A plus B whole square. So A is 1, B is also 1 whole square. So 1 plus 1, 2 square is 4. Therefore the option answer goes as option D. Option D is your answer. Option D is your answer.